The Rill Explorer can show you many measures and many dimensions all at the same time, which gives you this ability to quickly see the most significant factors and the most significant changes across a wide number of dimensions and their values. But to do so, it selects a single measure at a time for the leaderboards. And sometimes that's not quite what you want. Sometimes you have several related measures and you want to see how all of them are being impacted by many dimensions, maybe all of the dimensions at once. And for that, we use the multi-select option. Let me show you how that works. So we have our list of measures. I want to focus a little bit on not having 13 measures at once. So I can hide all and then select back in a few related measures that I'm going to look at. So there's my list of 4 measures. And now I want all of these dimensions to be split down by all of those selected measures at once. So for that, I click on the multi-select option here. As I add in additional measures into the leaderboards, so we can see it's now going down to 2 columns of leaderboards at once. If I select all 4 to make good use of the space, it's now in a single column. And here I have it. All 4 of those selected measures split down by all of the dimensions at once. A really powerful data set. Now, you might notice that the period comparison is only showing for the selected sort measure. So bids is currently being used to sort. If I switch that to win rate, then the period comparison switches to that. But I can see the comparisons for all of the measures at once if I like by clicking on the show context for all measures hidden behind the kebab menu there. And again, all measures by all dimensions, now including all of the period comparisons. And from here, it works just like the leaderboard always has, with the ability to filter and compare and exclude data as before. And if this view is generally useful, but now it's starting to get maybe too complicated because you want a more focused export, you can click the Start Pivot button. That'll take you into the pivot table view. So if you're looking to extract a table of data, switching into the pivot view is probably the right next step to make.